An extremely important topic for every dancer. Arm placement is an after effect, something that will help you understand what is flow in dance. Everything has a beginning and the end, and your dance is no exception. In the previous lesson we taught how to arm placement, how to start a dance or concept or storytelling. I hope you have practiced this topic well. Now let's teach arm placement as a pose that is the end of the story. It doesn't matter what you are doing and what part of your body you are dancing with, but when you make a pause in the dance, you can do it without arm placement. Arm placement as an after effect is like a period or a comma in your dance sentence. So dance is the story. Story consists of the sentences. There is punctuation in the sentences, which means that it is normal to make stops in the dance. It is impossible to dance without stopping. Otherwise it will be very difficult for your audience to understand you. Your stop in the dance is to allow your audience to understand what you did, or to support you with a shout like hey, or a gesture, or applause, or all together, hey! That's crazy! There will be no poses. You will not have support from the one who is looking at you. If you agree, put a thumbs up under this video and we move on. So you keep the punctuation and your story immediately becomes more interesting. And to make a dance look holistic, you need to learn how to transform your arm placement like an after effect into arm placement like a trigger. If you don't learn how to start the arm placement you ended the previous story with, your dance will not look holistic. There will be no harmony. In the world of dance, it is called flow. It is how the movements in a dance flow from one another. How to train flow? I have one exercise, or rather a game. You can play this game by yourself or with your friends. The essence of the game is that you make arm placement, for example this one, then you dance out of it, boom, you're dancing for about 3 seconds without stopping, and then stop, pause, new arm placement. So your task to come up with a new story or concept from new arm placement. And then pause, new arm placement, let's go. Pause. There is transform arm placement as an after effect into arm placement as a trigger, and it is advisable to play as long as possible. Offer this game to your friend or friends and play together. It is very interesting. So, Lil Spitfire. Yo, this is cool game, you should try it. You can play it every day. And the solutions will always be new and unique. Let's now imagine what a dance in which there is no flow will look like. For example. Okay. And next, and you see, it's not so good. It's wrong. Don't dance like this. Now you know an exercise that will not only make your dance complete, it will also develop your creativity. I say what I always say, just relax, open your mind, and dance with the flow. You'll be shocked at how cool you are, and how everything happens by itself. I hope this lesson was useful for you, Lil Spitfire. See you soon! Тренируемся.